Is this the most powerful handheld gaming console of 2025? Can the MSI Claw A8 really outperform the Steam Deck and ROG Ally? Stick around as we break down every detail from its AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor to its massive 80 watt-hour battery. You won't want to miss this. The MSI Claw A8 is a next-generation handheld gaming console unveiled at Computex 2025. It's designed to deliver powerful performance and premium features all in a portable form, powered by the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor, and paired with AMD Radeon graphics featuring 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units. This device is built to run AAA games smoothly. With up to 24 GB of Elder 5x8000 memory and a 1TB M.2 solid-state drive, the Claw A8 ensures ultra-fast multitasking and storage performance. Its 8-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen display offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and variable refresh rate support, delivering vibrant visuals and fluid gameplay. The console features a massive 80 watt-hour, 6-cell battery that provides up to 13 hours of light usage and around 1.5 to 4 hours of active gaming, depending on settings. Running Windows 11 Home, it gives you full access to the PC gaming ecosystem, including Steam, Xbox Game Pass, and the Epic Games Store. For connectivity, it includes 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Audio is handled by dual 2-watt stereo speakers, and for style, you can choose between a sleek white or vibrant lime green finish. Although exact pricing hasn't been confirmed, the Claw A8 is expected to launch around $899, similar to its Intel-based sibling, the Claw A8 AI Plus, with its robust hardware, long-lasting battery, and premium design. The MSI Claw A8 stands out as a serious contender in the growing handheld gaming PC market. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. What do you think? Will the Claw A8 dominate the handheld gaming scene? Let us know in the comments below.